The crypto mania is spreading like wildfire, garnering widespread acceptability and attracting investors and traders from all walks of life. Because of the craze, the global crypto market cap recently surpassed $3 trillion for the first time. Everyone wants a piece of the crypto pie now. If you're a crypto trader looking to get the most out of your money, these are 4 common mistakes to avoid. Welcome back to our channel. Before we dive into today's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let us get started. Thinking short-term. Because cryptocurrencies are not subject to the same level of government regulation as traditional currencies, there will surely be a lot of shady practices, such as Bitconnect, which was shut down in January of last year. Bitconnect was a Ponzi scheme that pretended to be a high-yield investment program, offering members a high rate of return if they maintained their bitcoins on their site. Bitcoin's cryptocurrency, BCC, plunged 92% overnight after the platform's closure, resulting in a $1 billion loss for investors. It's all too simple to be duped by the seamless marketing campaigns that a huge number of shady blockchain initiatives run on social media and invest in dubious projects. Investors should take caution and conduct their own research before investing in any projects or initial coin offerings. Buying crypto is inexpensive. Numerous crypto investors feel that a coin stock that is available for a few pennies or less than a penny has the potential to increase in value if your expectations are met. Buyers can also buy a huge number of cheap crypto stocks within their budget due to their low cost. Cryptocurrencies like Doge and Shiba Inu have confirmed this notion by increasing in value several times over. In any case, the majority of crypto investors are unaware that a variety of currencies were formerly available and extremely inexpensive, but are now unavailable on the market. Would you be interested in thinking back to their investors? They almost definitely lost their entire investment. These extremely low-value coins can soon deteriorate to the point that they are worthless. They can get there faster if they come closer to $0. You don't want to buy coins just because they're cheap without doing your homework beforehand. Consider other factors such as what is the coin's purpose and what is the maximum supply of coins available. Understanding the market cap number of coins available will influence how valuable the coin becomes in the future. Research before you invest. Everyone is always looking for the best cryptocurrency to buy, and this approach benefits a lot of individuals. During an ICO fraud, for example, scammers might isolate investors from their bitcoins in a variety of ways. One typical way is to construct phony websites and mobile apps that appear to be initial coin offerings, or ICOs, and solicit users to deposit money into a compromised wallet. When someone is given an account to fuel their wallet or accept payments, they are merely transferring funds to a hacker-controlled website. Take the time to research the coin you're thinking about purchasing. Doing your homework could lead you to a plethora of hidden gems. Researching the coins will not only educate you more about them, but it will also increase your confidence. Buying low and selling high. The most common mistake made by financial investors is to purchase high and sell low. People do, in fact, lose money on a regular basis as a result of it. People grow anxious when the value of a coin decreases. Because they are inexperienced with the foundations of crypto, most crypto investors are unable to hold on to their money. They fluctuate in price with the market. They're currently losing money because they're selling for less than they paid for it. Crypto investors should try to understand why the price of a coin is suddenly soaring before investing their hard-earned money into it. Of course, you never know when coins may appreciate or depreciate in value, so it's best to play it cautious and invest just what you can afford to lose in the worst-case situation. We hope that now you've seen the most common Bitcoin investment mistakes, you won't make any of them yourself. We also hope you've gained confidence in your ability to acquire and trade Bitcoins. Do let us know in the comments below. With that being said, it is important to know that all investments come with a risk, so do not invest the money that you can't lose. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button and stay tuned for more interesting videos. Bye!